Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge using Cremora. First, gather your ingredients. 3 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of Cremora, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Before you start cooking, make sure to lightly grease a 9x13-inch pan. This preparation step is key for easy removal later on. Next, combine the sugar, milk, Cremora, and butter in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once it reaches a full boil, continue cooking for exactly 5 minutes without stirring. This precise timing helps achieve the perfect texture for your fudge. After boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat and immediately stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, here's a crucial step. Let the mixture cool completely undisturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do not stir it during this time. Once cooled, beat the fudge vigorously with a spoon until it thickens and loses its glossy appearance, becoming dull. Finally, quickly pour the thickened fudge into your prepared 9x13-inch pan. Work swiftly, as it will begin to set rapidly. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly before it becomes too firm. Allow the fudge to cool and set completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours. Once firm, cut it into squares and enjoy your homemade Cremora fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.